magical, beautiful beings. My name is Alfred Mystic. You were asking me about the mirror work and about the connection to yourself, so this video is here for you. Let's talk about the mirror work and let's talk about how to reprogram our mind so we love ourselves, so we connect to the true self, so we reflect that energy that we possess. Everyone in this world has a unique source. The same with our voice. Every voice is a unique frequency. So the fact that every voice is different already says that all you have to do is to release it. Yeah, the voice, we speak the voice. If we're... no one knows what is your frequency. No one knows what do you have inside. What is that magic? So we have to let it out. Okay, what is a mirror work? Mirror work is when you are sitting, lying, standing next to a mirror and you start to talk with yourself, because our mind, our physical mind needs to focus, needs attention and direction. So when we are talking with ourselves in a mirror, we program ourselves. We all were influenced. Some of us are still influenced by the society, by parents, by family, because they want us to fit a certain box. For example, your parents, they always, pressure you. Like, are you there already? Where are the kids? Like, I want you to be like, give me the kids, give me that, be successful, be an artist, get a nice job, buy a house, buy a car. And this is really like a cage. The society is expecting from you to be something. All you have to do is really, for a moment, just shut down everything that is happening, go into your inner cave, hermit mode, when you really focus on what you are and what you want to do. And why is it so important to talk with yourself in a mirror? Because when you are talking with yourself inside of your mind, you are talking with the whole system. But when you see yourself, when you look at yourself in a mirror, it's focused. Everything you say is the reflection because you see yourself. So you can easily program yourself. You can say, I'm a fucking legend. I'm a magical being. I deserve the world, I am connecting to the universe. The world is abundant and I am abundant. I have all that wealth within me and I want to release it. I am releasing it, Be in the present. Say that I am this. Even if you don't really believe in what you're saying, you will, because you believe that people told you that you are a mistake. You believe that people told you that, no, you don't belong. No, you are this and that. No, you have to be that. You have to follow the structure that the society gave you. You are ugly. They told you you have to die or something. But why the fuck you believe what they said? So if you decided to believe, what they said, then it means that you can reprogram yourself. Even if it's delulu, if it's delusional, and you say in a mirror, I love myself, but you don't really believe that you love yourself. I'm telling you, deep inside, you love yourself. You know how special and precious you are. This is your heart energy. Your spirit, your soul loves you. Loves you, I mean your physical mind, because this is the conflict of our physical mind. Our soul, our spirit knows that you're a fucking beautiful being. That's why you are here. Just connect and let's go. Let's be powerful, let's be intense, or let's be quiet and calm and healing. We're all different. So this is your mind. Your mind is telling you that I am ugly. This is what you soaked in from the society. I don't belong. I have to change. I don't have to move. I have to work at this place or go to this university because they want me to do it. I don't really like it, but okay, I will believe them, I don't have the idea of self, that's why. That's why people believe them. They allow the outer world to program their physical mind. I'm telling you, coming from the heart, my beautiful being, program yourself, mirror work, focus. Even if you don't believe it, start with affirmations. Just Google affirmations. Affirmations are, I am beautiful, I love myself, I attract abundance. Even if you really feel like, oh, that's so delusional, like I don't feel like this. The spirit within you, the heart feels this. The heart knows, yes, this is our feminine energy. The heart knows, but the mind doesn't. And that's the thing. If you want to program your mind, connect to your heart, because the energy of the heart is full of love. This is our pure energy. There is a famous phrase that, listen to your heart, the song. Na 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 na. Listen to your heart. Don't really listen to your mind if it's messy, if it's not authentic. Listen to your heart. Channel all that beauty from the heart to your mind. This is how it works. This is how you will really connect to yourself. You can do it anytime. When you wake up, or when you go to sleep, or when you are in a car driving somewhere, in a bus. Also, our phone is a mirror. You don't have to have a mirror with you. You just press camera, okay? And I see myself. Also, social media is a gift for us, because it has this idea of reflection. So I'm telling you, if you want really to also connect to your body, yeah, tap yourself. This is how we connected. Yes, I'm alive. Okay, I have the skin. This is my fingers. These are my nails. Okay, this is the hand, the veins, everything. And through the reflection, you can connect to your face. Okay, or maybe like you don't like this part in your face. You're like, oh, my nose is too big, or like my eyelashes, or the shape of my eyebrows, or the face is not symmetrical. The ears, and like, what about the chin? What about the lips? The act of acceptance. Do you know what you have to do? Surrender. Look at yourself and surrender that, yeah, this is who I am. This is my body. This is my nose. This is my face. This is the structure of my body. This is what I'm built like. Yeah, I'm so different, yeah? And maybe society thinks that some parts in my body are wrong or ugly. Maybe I have to go to the gym, that's what they told me. People really start to suffer when they follow the ideal idea of what our human body should look like. I have some friends who after every lunch they go and vomit, because family told them that you have to be fit, you have to be a beautiful lady, because no one will look at you. The guys, they won't fuck with you. So you better be gorgeous, be stunning, be a skinny legend. And then the person is suffering, because the society wants them to fit in a beautiful box. Yeah, the box they created for the person. No, you are a magnetic force. You are a powerful being who is creating its own bubble. Fuck the boxes. We enjoy being in a bubble. The bubble can shapeshift, yeah? This is the water element. You touch it and it's boop, it's gone. So now it's the opportunity to create a new bubble, to shapeshift, yeah, blank canvas, new idea, new role, new character, new personality. Who am I tomorrow? I don't know, yeah, we'll see. I'm a fairy today, but maybe tomorrow I'm gonna be the evil queen. Allow yourself, really, allow yourself to shapeshift. To shapeshift is to change. When you allow yourself to change, you evolve. Yeah, this is the evolution of our energy. Our energies are so complex. The amount of energies you have within, inside of our mind, yeah, we have the information about the unicorns, about the cats, about the dinosaurs, about the humans, about the stars, the cosmos. Imagine, we can't even count how much energies we have inside. Experiment with them. Meditate. You can just imagine yourself being in a body of a tree. You can imagine yourself being this space, being this star. And the more you explore yourself through this trance state, through this visualization, through these messages, or through art, through the visions, you understand that, wait, I feel like I am a star, and I feel like I am the flower, I feel like I am a bug, I feel like I am water, I feel like I am all the elements. Wait, I can find the similarities in every being. I am all of that. We're all connected. The illusion of duality left the chat, left the body. Now the spirit is here. Now it's time. So I'm telling you, my beautiful, you better do mirror work. You better download social media and post everything, post anything you want. If you think that, oh, what if I will receive negative comments because I never tried to talk about something or just show myself on the screen, you can always shut the comments down. So no one will leave you a comment. You do it for yourself, you do it to connect to that mirror, to connect to your face, to connect to your body. Make pictures of yourself naked. You don't have to share them. It's always your choice what to share and what to not share. You can have it somewhere privately. The society, the religion, they turn us against ourselves, against our bodies. Connect. Only you will know how precious you are. I can guide you. I can show you your abilities. Yeah, as a shapeshifter, I see the shapes. I see the ingredients within you, the details, the codes, inner codes, the numbers. That's what I do. And analyze. I scan your energy, your aura. I just, give you directions, give you the answers, give me questions. Let's communicate, let's exchange our energies. That's what we are here to do. Yes, mirror work, be focused, yeah? When you are talking with yourself inside, you are talking with the whole system. It's nice, but if you want to connect to your physical body, to this outer world, then really just look at yourself. You don't have to have a schedule for this. If you like to have a plan that, okay, in the morning or in the evening or like anytime or in a bus, when I, for example, wake up, I talk with myself. I tell myself affirmations that, yes, I accept myself. I am precious. I am here for a reason. My spirit, my soul loves me. There are people who will appreciate my essence, who will be able to connect deeply and understand who I am, who will reflect that inner beauty, who will support me, who will love me. There are beautiful, magical beings. And I know that when I start to release that beautiful source, they will be attracted. We attract same energies. And also we attract the opposites. So expect that, yes, in the comments, for example, if you will open your comment section, there will be negativity. Because why? The opposites attract each other. Every person in this world will get positive and negative reactions. Receive it as a fact, simply because it's the law. The opposites attract. I love you so much. I honestly love you. I want you to love yourself, because when you love yourself, you really start to notice how magical this world is, how everything is so precious, so beautiful, how connected we are. The singing bowl is singing for you, my beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried mirror work. If you didn't, let me know when you will try. How do you feel? What did you reveal about yourself? If you want me to make a video about something specific, let me know in the comments and we will share the information. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Sending you all my love. Zing! Mwah!